What's the meaning of culpability? Culpability. Culpability.
Culpability. Culpability. Culpability refers to the state of being responsible for a wrongful act or omission. It is a legal concept that is often used in criminal law to determine whether an individual can be held accountable for their actions. Culpability can involve both intentional acts and negligent behavior, and it is generally assessed by examining the mental state and actions of the person in question. If someone is found to have culpability for a particular act, they may be subject to legal penalties or other consequences as a result.